Most guys find it difficult to get a girl to go out with them because they don't know how to actually talk to girls in a way that girls find appealing or attractive. Guys, talking to a woman is not difficult. First of all, you have to understand that a girl is just another human. There is nothing special about her, and she has no superpowers. You have to see them as a fellow human, living an imperfect life like you. If you can program your mind this way, then you fixed a major problem in your thinking. This is one thought most guys cannot control, and it has ruined their chances with girls. Once you are able to program your mind and accept that women are not a special breed, the next thing is to have courage and confidence. Confidence is one masculine trait women find very attractive in men. Most girls give some guys a chance because they love his confidence when talking to her. A good way to build confidence is to ensure you are looking your best. First impressions matter. If you are looking bad that day, please skip talking to her. If you do, she'll reject you in a second. Women make judgments on guys in a second. They don't imagine your worth. Once you don't appear appealing, they will not consider giving you a chance. So ensure you are looking great. This will in turn also boost your confidence. Another way to boost your confidence is to be outcome independent. Do not care if it will work or not. Do not bother about embarrassment and people around. Everything will likely happen in a second. So do not care about what the outcome will look like. Go ahead and talk to her. Women don't bite. The worst she'll say is no, and the world will not end. In fact, you'll learn lessons from it. When you finally talk to her, have an open body language. Don't rush for her phone number. Make her relaxed and comfortable with you for a few seconds. You'll do this by asking her name. Then ask her questions about what she has on her. For example, you can say, "I see a scar on your forehead. What happened?" This will prompt her to answer your question. Women love talking, so she'll take a few moments to explain why she has the scar. Then, ask her follow-up questions based on what she has been saying. This will make her feel relaxed and also not see you as weird. You can make some statements to make fun of her or tease her. This will make her smile or blush a little. Trust me, even though you are strangers, she will feel really relaxed with you. Then you can go ahead and ask her where she stays. This works on most girls, and she'll easily give you her phone number. So you can easily escalate the friendship and plan a date. If she lives nearby, and you are likely to meet her again, you can just familiarize yourself with her and skip asking for her number. With that, you'll appear not needy. You will also not longer appear strange to her the next time you meet her. And she will find it easy to exchange phone numbers with you. This is a very great example of how you should talk to a girl. This is a proven secret and has worked on 90% of the girls we tried it on. So the next time you see a girl you find attractive, approach her with confidence, be relaxed when talking to her, and add a little bit of fun to the conversation. You'll be amazed with the result. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time.